Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you all had a great Christmas and a good New Year's Eve party or whatever time, and you're all looking forward to what's coming in the next year. Tonight I'm going to do the drawing for the 1,000 subscriber goal that I reached. I think it was in November, and I announced the drawing then. And I really haven't had time to work on anything to make for it. The the journal that I wanted to do, but I do have one done here now, and I will show it to you after I draw the name, and I'm going to do that in very soon. So, but before I do that, I want to tell you about a challenge I'm going to be hosting, and it's called It's My Bag. And what I'm doing is every week I will decorate a bag with you. I may decorate 2 or 3, I may decorate 1, but that's what I'm going to be doing. And others will be also doing the challenge with me. And I will be giving out prompts for it every week. And those that are going to be in the challenge, anybody can be in the challenge. If you'd like to do that with me, I'll be glad to link your YouTube channel in with my videos every time I do one of them during the week. And so it's open to anybody who has a YouTube channel and likes to craft, and if you would like to decorate a bag or bags, and also if you can decorate on a bag that you made yourself or that you bought. I have a video, and I'm putting it in the description below, of how to make a gift bag, just a little bag out of computer paper. So I have a tutorial on that. It's very simple. But I just want to show you a couple of bags that I did over the Christmas season. This is one of them. I think could be a nice Valentine's. It's been under a bunch of stuff, so it's all scrunched up the bow. I think it'd be a nice Valentine's Day bag. And I gave it a Chanel stem pipe cleaner handle. And then this one would look real nice, I think, in a journal. And I added some blue hearts beads down here, and I did it on music paper. I sewed these. You don't have to sew them, you can glue them. But I sewed these together, and then I waxed the back to add a scent to it, and it smells like apple cinnamon. So that's real nice. And this one is with an angel. It was Christmas, obviously. And I found these old bells in my Christmas stash that I've kept for a lot of years. And I took them out. I used sequins here, a white poinsettia, some bling I had in my drawer. And I sewed these on felt. And what this is a piece of muslin that I scented with, what's that smell? Pine. And so it turned the muslin green. And I just put it on the back there as an example of what you can do. But you could actually put it on a card and put it inside too. So I sewed these up on the machine with felt and gave them some handles. And that was fun. And here's another one that could be a Valentine's Day one, with a wax seal that I made and some appliques. Just a very simple, another apple cinnamon. And then this one here, this is trim off of a wedding gown, a vintage wedding gown. And then this is just paper lace that I coffee dyed, and I put some book pages underneath. I made the bag myself out of book pages. And I covered it completely. I was going to give them as gifts, and then I decided I wasn't going to. And so I kept them. I don't know. And so I put a poinsettia there, just decorated it. I had fun doing that. So it is fun to decorate these bags, and you can use them as gift bags. Here's a couple that I did as gift bags. Just cute little vintage. I printed them on there, and then I made the bag myself. Very, very easy to do. So check out the video below if you want to know how I did that. So you can print out anything on the front of a bag and on paper and turn it into a bag. So if you'd like to be a part of that challenge, just let me know in the comments, and I'll put your YouTube channel in my next one. Next Tuesday, I will be doing the first Decorate It's My Bag, and the prompts are angels and flowers, and they could be any kind of flowers, roses, forget-me-nots, whatever, I don't care, any kind of flower that you like, with at least one angel item, or angel. Angel, okay. All right, so now for the big reveal. We got the business out of the way. Let's do a drawing. Okay, I'm going to mix these up. And I made them all even. Took me forever to write out all the names because there was a lot of names. So I'm just going to mix them up. I do it the old-fashioned way. I don't have one of those, you know, things online. Okay, so, and if whoever's name I draw, if you are not in the USA, I will have to draw a second name. I didn't put that in my description till later on, so it's nobody's fault but mine if you thought I was going to ship overseas, because I didn't say I wouldn't. But I really can't, because things get lost over there and the expense is just too much. So I apologize, but I do want to thank all of you for coming and subscribing. I really appreciate you. You are great. And now I know why people do YouTube and why they say I love my subscribers, because you are all great. You leave me great comments, and I just enjoy making a video for you to show you what I'm doing, and I love it that you respond. So for that, I'm going to draw a name and get back in there. No cheating now. Okay, here we go. Here's the name. Cindy Johnson Gremlin. Gremling. I hope I'm saying that right. Okay, you have won my journal. Now, please contact me if you're in my Facebook group. You can contact me there and let me know you won, or leave a comment below, and we're going to have to connect because I'm going to need your address. And this is what you have won. I've tied it up with some tulle. Well, actually, it's just netting. Okay, and it's a envelope journal. I love making envelope journals. They're so much easier than the regular ones. And I put this pretty lady on here, and some chiffon roses and appliques and more appliques. This is a pocket inside, right inside here, and these come out. I won't take them out right now. And then you have tags here, and you have this. It says enjoy, and I put some little tags in there that fit just in that little pocket. I think that pocket is so cute. I love little stuff. I don't know why, but I just, well, forget it. It doesn't want to go in there. And then this is another page, and I've got a lot of tags in here for you. Hat boxes. I love hat boxes. I think every woman in the world loves hat boxes, right? Okay, and I did a little coloring on this black and white girl. I like the pictures, the sepia pictures. And then you come over here, and this is a flip up. And I've decorated it. Flip it up, and there's a little pocket there with some more of those little postcards. And then you flip over, and there's a pocket here. And this is a paper clip. And this opens up, and you can write on the back of it, do a little journaling, then stick it back together and put your paper clip in to hold it down. Let's see if I can do that. There we go. And then over here, I've decorated this flap, and it opens. And the same thing is over here, but a different set of tags that open up. And then I put a pocket here, and you can journal there, and some journaling cards. I mean, I love lace and pink, so I thought that was pretty cool. So you close that up like that. Then over here, here it is, the sisters. Sisterhood of women, right? That's what we all are. And I have a little bead here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has leaves on it. These are plastic leaves. I can't remember where I got this from. It was off of probably a necklace, but I just think it's so pretty. And I put a pink bead on there with a pin, and you open that up, and you have a pocket here with a little notepad that I put in there and decorated, and some more tags. And over here, I was thinking of them wearing this, you know, kind of matching their dress. You know how we women are. We gotta have everything to match. This is a coffee dyed coffee filter. And I put a little decoration down here, lace. And you open that. And here is another paper clip. And yet this is inside a pocket. This is a pocket in here, like that. And it opens up and you can journal on it. But I put that in there so you know there's a pocket there. And it's covering this pocket, which also has journaling cards in it. And I've decorated it down here. And that just goes back in there. I put you can pull it up here to cover that pocket. It covers it perfectly. And let's just put the paper clip back on there. Yeah, let's hope. There we go. Okay, and then this is a little high heel. This is a lift up. A flip up is what I guess they call them. This is a little high heel charm that I've had for a long time. And I think it was just right to use on this part of the journal. And I've decorated it up here. And you lift it up. And there's some paper under here. There's only one piece, but you could always leave notes in there. I was making the journal too thick, and it was starting to be not to be able to close. So I said, okay, calm down. You can't do that. But over here is another page that opens like that, and this is a pocket. And I've got a lot of journaling cards in there for you. I stamped these. And you got a couple of pretty postcards like that. So this is a pocket that you can put whatever in. And then you open that and open this. And there's a pocket there with more tags. And you open this. This is a coffee dyed coffee filter. And that velcros. And you can bring that down and you can write in that. So you've got plenty of places to write and also to put pictures. And this is just a pretty piece of paper, and I didn't know if you wanted to put a picture there. I thought if I put any more bulk in here, it's going to start busting at the seams and come apart. And I really didn't want to do that. So I've added lots of laces wherever I could, because I love laces myself, and these are appliques. And back here, this is a top loading pocket, and these tags come in there as well. So that's for Cindy Johnson Gremling. I think I said it right. So Cindy, get a hold of me. My name is Cindy as well. So we go together pretty good. And there is the back. And this is wedding gown, vintage wedding gown applique. I just love, I collect wedding gowns whenever I see one. And when we go into a thrift shop, the first thing my husband looks for is a wedding gown for me. And if he sees one, he comes right over and gets me. So I have him trained for that, and that's good. So it's a short video tonight. That's all I have. But remember, come back next Tuesday night, and we'll do a decorated bag. And check the video below. We'll show you how to make your own bags. And you can just customize them and make them and put, you know, like chocolate candies in here, a chocolate heart, give it to your little sweetheart for Valentine's Day, hang it on their door. You don't have to have a hanger. You can do them just plain. This always reminds me of a wine bottle type of thing. But, you know, you could put gift cards in there. You could put potpourri in there and hang it on your door. I mean, there's just a lot of things we can do with bags. So I'm excited to experiment and to see what kind of ideas we can come up with every week. And it will last for 4 weeks. That's it. 4 weeks is long enough. Now, wouldn't this make a cute bag for winter and be right on the front of a bag You print it out on your computer. Give it to someone as a gift. They're never going to find this in a store. I don't care if it's Hallmark. They're not going to find what you make in a store, and people love handmade gifts. So, all right. Well, thank you very much for stopping by. And I hope you'll join me in the challenge. And Cindy, thank you for entering my contest. And everybody who entered, I was overwhelmed. It was so great. So anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and if you like this video, please give me a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And leave a comment if you'd like. I appreciate it. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.